Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about this expression none of your business, or it's none of your business. So we say none of your business or it's none of your business to tell someone off when someone is a bit nosy, when someone wants to know more than he or she needs to know, when someone steps into our privacy, okay, when we feel that this bit of information or things that person is looking for is more than enough, and we want to tell them not to go into more details or to look for more details. When you get something, let's say you bought something and they ask for the price, maybe a gift that someone asks for a price, you really don't want to tell them about the price or something like that. Then when you feel that something is a bit private but they want to know about, then we tell them to stop that by just telling them it's none of your business or none of your business. But bear in mind, this is not nice. It's not in a nice way, okay? It's a bit rude, okay? Sometimes we prefer to be rude because of the situation. Uh, the person is kind of rude to us by asking those, uh, let's say, information, by looking for the information. So we feel that the person is already rude, so we turn back to them, just like them, rude again, and just tell them none of your business. But we do not use this for the people that we care about, for the people that we respect. Okay, so bear in mind and be careful not to use it with someone that you like, your someone that is older than you. Okay, so we would not use this. But if you're so friendly with someone, with close friends, we might use this because we do not mind. We just have these kind of words amongst ourselves. Okay, that's fine. We might use it with someone that we want to be rude with, so that's fine. But with others, we don't. Okay, so it can be said, it's none of your business or none of your business. But let's look at this part now. Your business. This is when I talk to someone that I would refer to as you. Okay, I talk to you and I say it's none of your business. I talk to you about someone else. I say it's none of her business. It's none of his business. Okay, so we can change it to someone else that we're talking about. I'm breaking the place. And if I want to kind of I can use it's none of my business, okay? But this is not to be rude to myself. Again, it is a bit, I'm a bit rude when I say it's none of my business. But it's like I am just do not show interest. I just do not want to get involved, okay? So I'm escaping somehow. In this case, I say it's none of my business. I do not care. Okay, I show that I do not care by saying it's none of my business. I don't care. All right. So none of my business, none of your business, her business, or others' business. We can use it in a different way as well. Okay. It's not only you over here or you're over here. Okay. Now let's look at this example. A. I can't come to your party tonight. B. Why? Are you going somewhere else? A says A is annoyed by this question and feels that this is not appropriate. B shouldn't have asked this question. Says it's none of your business. Don't go to details. You do not really need this. You shouldn't have asked. Okay. And also we can say mind your own business. Instead of it's none of your business, we can say mind your own business. Okay. Mind your own business means just get busy with what you are doing and do not come to my zone. Okay, just keep your distance. So it's none of your business or mind your own business. These are the ways that we can tell someone off when we feel that they are stepping into our privacy. All right, I hope this has been helpful. You have gained what the experience, you have learned the expression, and most probably you have the same thing in your language. And if you like, you can comment this in your language below the video so that we could have some more examples and this, let's say, equivalents in other languages. If you do so, that would be great. Thank you for your help already, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.